Hello viewers, this is Anil Kumar Pradhan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Social Studies. Today in this video we will discuss about rotation and revolution of the earth. The apparent movement of sun, moon, stars and other celestial bodies gives an impression that all these bodies are moving while we are stationary. Actually, we little realize that it is the earth that is constantly on the move. We do not feel the rotation because we are also moving along with the earth at the same speed. It is a common practice that the sun rises in the morning in the east and sets in the evening in the west. Do you know when will be all places of earth have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night? Why there are height waves in oceans? How many seasons are there in India? What are the effect of earth rotation? At what speed earth revolves around the sun? What are the effect of earth revolution? What do you mean by aphelion and perihelion? What do you mean by equinoxes? If you watch this video from beginning to till the end without skipping, you will get answer to all these questions. Let's start. Movement of the earth. Movement of earth are divided into two parts. One is rotation, the other are revolution. In this picture, you can see both the movement of earth, rotation as well as revolution. Earth rotates on its own axis in a day or in 24 hours. At the same time, earth revolves around the sun on its elliptical orbit. That causes a revolution. Rotation of the earth. The earth moves on its own axis from west to east once in 24 hours or in one day at a speed of 1610 km per hour. This movement of earth is called rotation. Exactly, it takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds to complete one rotation. Rotation of the earth. Earth is rotating from west to east. Now see, what are the effect of rotation of earth? First, day and nights are caused due to rotation. While rotating, a part of earth facing the sun has day and the other part is night. Second, variation in temperature. Variation in temperature because of the varying amount of sun's heat receiving the various part of the earth. Due to Earth's spherical shape and the inclination of the axis. 3. Apparent movement of celestial bodies. The rotation of the earth from west to east determines the direction in which the sun, moon and stars appear to rise and set. 4. Alternate fall and rise of ocean waves occurs twice in 24 hours due to rotation. The high tides and low tides caused by the gravitational pull of sun and moon. 5th, Coriolis effect. All the moving bodies on the earth's surface, that is ocean currents and winds, are deflected toward the right in the northern hemisphere and left in the southern hemisphere due to Coriolis effect. Here, the earth is rotating from west to east. Only half part of earth lit by the sun's ray that become brighter and the remaining part remains in darkness. So, the brighter side is day and the darker side become night. Now, the earth rotation on its axis, but it is not at right angle to the plane of revolution. It makes an angle of 66.5 degree. This is between 66.5 degree with plane of ecliptic and is tilted 23.5 degree from a line perpendicular to the plane. Revolution of the earth. The earth, while moving on its own axis, also moves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. This movement is called revolution. The motion of earth along its elliptical orbit around the sun is termed as revolution. Earth takes 1 year to complete one revolution. It takes 365 days, 6 hours. The speed of earth revolution is 1,07,000 km per hour or 30 km per second. Revolution of the earth. Earth is revolving around the sun. It takes 1 year. Now we see what are the effects of revolution of the earth. Effects of revolution. First, changing altitude of the midday sun at different times of the year. Second, varying length of day and night. Third, change of seasons. Here, the earth is said to be in perihelion on January 3rd, when distance between earth and sun is near or least. That is, the distance between earth and sun is 147.1 million kilometers. The term perihelion derived from Greek word peri and helion. Peri means around or near, helion means the sun. On July 4th, the earth is at its farthest position from the sun and is said to be in aphelion. Here the word aphelion is derived from Greek word ap and helion. Ap means farthest, helion means the sun. The distance between earth and sun on July 4th is 152.1 million kilometers. That is the farthest position of the earth from sun. Revolution of the earth and seasons. Due to revolution of the earth, there are 4 seasons. One is spring, second is summer, third is autumn, and fourth one is winter. We see here on March 21st and September 23rd, all over the world there will be 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night time. That means the duration of day and night is equal. That day is called as equinox. June 21st is termed as summer solstice. December 22nd is termed as winter solstice. Here we know the sun is directly overhead at the equator on March 21st and September 23rd. These 2 days are termed as spring equinox and autumn equinox. After spring equinox, the sun appears to move north and is directly overhead Tropic of Cancer. On June 21st, this is termed as summer solstice. The word solstice in Latin means sun standing. On December 22nd, the sun shines over the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere has its winter solstice at this time. So when there is spring in northern hemisphere, the same time it becomes autumn in the southern hemisphere. When there is summer in northern hemisphere, that time it becomes winter in the southern hemisphere. By this way, 4 seasons are changing in both hemispheres. Seasons. Traditionally in India we have 6 seasons. Vasanta means spring season, Grishma means summer season, Varsha means rainy or monsoon season, Sharad means autumn season, Hemant means pre-winter, and Shishir means winter. They are the 6 Indian seasons. I hope you got answer to all these questions. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it to receive notifications of my new videos. Don't forget to comment if you have any doubts or suggestions. Thank you. I want to say thank you for your support.